My name is Kat Ferguson and I'm the Procurement Director for the LTC programme. Today and yesterday we were holding two identical events, one in Essex and one in Kent. The purpose of the events is really to try and get local supply chain to come to us to hear what we've got to say about the programme and also how they can get involved in what it is that we're doing. Another purpose is really to introduce them to our bidders. So we're in the middle of procurement at the moment. We've got 3 main works contracts that are out for tender, and we really wanted an opportunity for our bidders to get to know the local supply chain, the SMEs, the experts in the fields within those local areas. So we really want to be the greenest road building programme ever, and to do that we need a huge supply chain to support us. We also need a supply chain that invests in skills, education and innovation in order to enable us to do that. And so therefore this morning was really about building on the sort of purpose, about what it is that we want to do and why we're here. But also more importantly how that wider supply chain can get involved. Now our bidders who are here today are an absolutely key part of that, and therefore them being here as part of this, standing up in front of us and also committing to what it is that we're committed to is just a really big part of what we're trying to achieve.
So many local businesses that are in my industry, in my game, so we'll all be looking at trying to get a piece of the work, and hopefully it will be spread around all the local businesses. We've invested massively in new plant, hybrids. Yeah, it's exciting.
We wanted to meet top tier suppliers. It's really hard for SMEs in general to get in front of top tier suppliers. So an event like this is really worthwhile for somebody to get to meet people that are involved in the decision making process.
We employ an awful lot of injured veterans. The social benefit side is huge of what we do. All of our profit is pushed back into our villages. We've got housing, we've got move-on housing, care homes, dementia care, and that's where all of the profit from any job that we win, that's where it all goes. It's just an exciting project to even be involved in at these early stages. You know, it is a long-term project, but it's something that is of huge benefit to the country. So yeah, pleased to be part of it.
Very interesting to learn more about the Lower Thames Crossing project. What they're particularly looking for, and get an opportunity to talk to all the contractors that are bidding for the work and understand their priorities and what they're looking for too, and see how we can solve some of the problems that they'll be finding on their construction sites.
It's a once in a generation type of project, and the services or the products that we provide would be unique to this environment. There's a lot of construction industries here, so representing the sort of cleaning and hygiene and welfare industry, I thought would be a unique pitch for people to learn a bit more about us.
Very diverse attendance, perfect for me from a networking point of view, couldn't have been better. Certainly been a bit of an extra enlightenment into the project and its core values and aims and targets, all of which fortunately for me and for my company tend to fall in line with where we're going, so hopefully we can go there too.
I think it was good to be able to meet large contractors face to face, because especially with larger companies it's often difficult to be able to speak to somebody directly who can make a decision.
It is always really useful just to sit down with people, gauge what they're looking for, and this particular scheme is really different because it isn't all about price and it's not all about what you would typically associate with winning a bid. It's a lot to do with the environment, it's a lot to do with the social values, and really that's key. Good intel when you are bidding for the works as an SME.
What I would recommend, if you haven't attended today, make sure you have a look on our website, see what we do, get in touch with us, but also register in our supply chain directory. Let us know who you are, let us know what you do, and therefore we can reach out, and when we have the next event coming up, you can come and join us.